So hey guys, so I wanted to come back, and it's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks since I've made a video or anything like that. So I had a lot going on with everything, with holidays and trying to hustle, try to get a job, and trying to get back in tech. But the main video I wanted to talk about right now was just the Palantir, all the craziness that's gone on for the last few months actually, and even longer. Now it's spiking up today up to like $76. It was up $5. Um, so I'm just watching all this action myself, and I'm trying to not jump into go crazy, but I'm human. I'm like everybody else. I'm kind of following the FOMO a little bit, but not really because I'm in for it for the long term. And so I'm just doing my DCA, but I'm throwing in, a couple accounts. I might add a switch up another one, and then just keep doing my daily DCA into Palantir. I have one that I'm just doing basic like $10 a day, nothing major, but I'm not a big fish here. I'm just trying to get to 500, and then eventually get to 2,000 shares. But I have other things going on. But just trying to this crazy tech market, trying to get in there, and just you only have so much to work with, like everything else. Even when you have a job, when you don't have a job, or whatever, you're hustling, freelancing, anything like that. But so lately I'm just doing like 10 to even 50 a day and throwing that in. But it's kind of, no matter what, I'm sticking to my DCA. But I kind of set them down. I don't want to go too crazy, which I think I already am. But I'm in for the long run. But I have dry powder, so I think I'm maybe slow it down a little bit. Just kind of do 10 and 10, and then another account. But I'm just doing my DCA, and like I said, this right now is just kind of like the sugar high almost. Like, I think even quoting other YouTubers out there that this is like a kid's fix kind of a way. Just everybody's hyped into Palantir. They think they're gonna get like the next Nvidia, which it very much could be on the software side. But it's still in the early games, and you got to be cautious. And I'm gonna try to be cautious best I can, because no matter what, you're not gonna get all your shares. Even if you do 100 a day, it's not like you're gonna, there's no rush. Basically, there's no rush to get into Palantir right away. There's still plenty of time. I think Dan Ives was saying we're only like in the early innings of this run with Palantir. So I think it's such in the beginning phase right now, and maybe like 10 to 15% just started. So it's so much long road ahead. And I've seen it before with Tesla and everything like else like that, where you maybe all you need is really like 500 shares, and I'm close to getting that. But just try to get that 500 shares, and then if it splits, 4 for 1, whatever, you got 2,000 shares. Or yeah, that's the correct math. But there's no rush for Palantir. I'm sure everybody else is like saying this is gonna double, and that very well could double. Could do like 70 to 140 in, say, like June. It could happen, but it could always back down and start dropping back to $40 a share. So you can't time the market, can't time Palantir. You just got to think about invest in companies that work, that are really their fundamentals are good. They have a business model, and that's investing. But trading is, buying and selling. And you don't really look at the long-term future with trading. You're looking at like hourly to the minute, maybe like the day. Swing trade a couple weeks, a week. But when you're investing into good companies like Palantir, you got to think about the future, long-term path, and that's my plan to the long-term path with Palantir. So they have so many good things. Elon and Alex Karp, they're getting together about the government efficiency. So Karp isn't good with this administration, which he was good with the other administration too. They have the whole AI and everything in the cornered. They have the whole government's backing them because they're good at what they do, and with AI, and you needed to run the AI software side of the business, and they're the only one that can do that with the all that goes on with AI, making sure it's legit and everything like that. Other companies really can't do that, and governance and all that stuff that Palantir does. And there are tons of different software that they have, and the consumer and the business, the military side, they all have government's already in there. They were one of the first to you know buy Palantir's products and all that. It's not just like some AI, some text AI that's your chat GPT that you're updating your resume and stuff for, or stuff like that. They do way more than that. So like I said, Palantir is in the beginning stages. So I really wouldn't worry about the day to day, whatever the YouTubers are saying. Oh, you're gonna miss out if you don't get into this right away. Just don't worry about that. I think just don't treat Palantir as a trade. Treat it as a long-term investment. That's what I'm doing. That's my plan for Palantir. And yeah, just kind of doing my DCA. I'm not lump summing in. That's great if you did. Like a lot of times, it had some lull right there around, I think 2022 around there. We were just $8 a share for the longest, for a year. Nobody really cared about it. It was almost a year. It was trading at $7, $8, bouncing off that. And I started buying in like on the mid to tail end of that. Just a little lump sum here of a DCA, but not many people had the foresight to, lump sum in at $7 or $8 a share. I don't know. It doesn't work that way. I mean, if you did, you had like 10 grand, you threw it in 7, 8, that's great. Most of us don't really do that, So yeah, Palantir is so early in the innings stages of everything with the AI, and their AI is so basic right now. There's so much more growth that needs to be done, and I think Palantir is going to be the operating system of the whole AI. And I caught it on the tail end when it was at 7, 8, and I researched some of it when had that spike when 2020, but I really didn't get into it. It was a tail end 7, 8, and then I started to buy some, and then just DCA, just straight DCA the whole way. I guess I should have lump summed in more at that time, but who knows? So I'm just continuing, not even a lump sum in. I'm just going to continue DCA. I might do like a buy here, lump sum here, but I just want to have cash there and just do DCA on a daily basis with Palantir. That's my plan. If you have more income coming in, you can do more buying, but that's not my situation here. It's weird, like AI is coming out, and then a lot of people were affected by all these tech layoffs. So I'm the same way. So I really got to budget my money, but I'm still, no matter what, I'm just DCA. I'm kind of, in a way, it's even good when you DCA. I'm just also consolidating some of my plays that I really have a little bit here, a little bit here. I'm just kind of consolidating more with Palantir. in that way. So that's my investing. But another talk I want to talk about, I'm gonna just trying to do trading, and I think it's gonna look into trying to do that with my Moomoo account and see how it goes there. But this is my first video coming back for 2 weeks. It's been a crazy year for me. Just I've been out of work, but then at the same time, I've still been trading and making money, and then trying to make that happen. Which I could get one account and be fine, but I'm just hoping the tech economy just all comes back and things are better in 2025. That's my plan. Yeah, investing would be nice, but you never know. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can. I think you'll see more of me the next weeks. So I'm kind of slowing down my applying and everything like that. But that's my video. But I'm not a financial advisor, just my opinion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Share this video, share my other videos, and definitely subscribe. It's free to do. Just hit that subscribe. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Sorry if I'm a little rough. I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things and trying to promote my message in a positive way. It's just a downer lately with the job market, so I'm trying to get out there. And then finally, maybe for Christmas, I'll get a mic. But yeah, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.